Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. New location unlocked. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe, check out my Instagram. Yeah, just let me know what you think of these videos, and if you like these sort of baking videos, just leave me a comment and let me know and I can do more. So today I'm so excited. I'm in my kitchen and that means one thing, I am baking. Or I'm making coffee. Well, I'm doing both. So I've been seeing on Pinterest and TikTok and Instagram, literally everywhere, these minimalist cakes. I think they're called like lunchbox cakes. I'm not really sure. But I've been wanting to do one for so long. And I made one back at uni, but it didn't go very well. So that was my practice run. But today I'm going to be doing a carrot cake. So I'm going to try and make it a little bit more healthy. It is vegan already, but I'm gonna be using like natural sugar, no refined sugar, which sounds really boring. I know. I really want like a chocolate cake as well, especially the Betty Crocker one. That one slaps. But my dad is on a diet and he's trying to be a bit healthier. And also I'm trying not to eat so much sugar because my dissertation is actually on sugar, and reading all the bad stuff about it makes me really like So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a healthier carrot cake, but I mean, it's gonna look cute. That's the point. Spoiler alert, but that didn't happen. So I'm really excited and start cooking. I'll show you what I've got. So I actually went to Tesco's yesterday and then I walked to Lidl, I think Lidl, this morning, and I picked up these ingredients. So roll the vlog footage. I've got coconut flour, coconut sugar. Those were both from Lidl, and so was the coconut oil. It was way cheaper than the Tesco's ones. Agave nectar, baking powder, mixed spice. These are really cute. They're like these little, I saw Molly May use them, but like they're these little handmade decorations. This is the only sugar in the cake. And then carrot, and I think I'm gonna use some maple syrup as well. That's everything. And how cute is this apron? I mean, I love it. I never cook with an apron on and I always get stuff all over my clothes. I literally got tomato soup all down my favorite jumper the other day. So I'm learning from my mistakes today and I'm gonna wear an apron. This one is actually from my old work. I used to work at this like tea room in the centre of where I live, and it's actually really famous in Yorkshire. So I worked there for 2 years, and for those 2 years it was my only personality trait. It's literally, I used to talk about it all the time. I used to eat their food and eat their cakes all the time. It was genuinely all I talked about at school. And on the last day I forgot to hand this pinafore in, because this was like the uniform that we used to wear. I forgot to hand it in and I was like, this is way too awkward, because I just like said goodbye to everyone and was like crying. And I was like, this is way too awkward to go back the next week and give it in. So 5 years later, I've still got it. Right, we should get on with the recipe. I'm gonna link the recipe down below because I didn't create it, but I am changing it a little bit. I'm gonna start by grating the carrots. The recipe calls for 2 cups. And I don't know why everything is in cups. I think they do grams as well, but I don't actually have any scales. So I'm gonna wing it. I'll let you know. Okay, so let's grate these. Just 2 cups, like, should I do, that was only 1 carrot. Surely you need way more than 1 carrot, like, I don't know. Okay, I found the cup measurements, thank God. So firstly I need 2 cups of coconut flour. Isn't it? It's not gonna work. 2 cups seems like a lot. Also in the recipe they didn't say coconut flour. They said like spelt flour or like, I don't know, something weird like that, which I don't have and I couldn't find. So coconut flour's gonna have to work. Seems like a bloody lot of flour, but I guess. All gone. So this is ground cinnamon. Do you remember the cinnamon challenge? Why was that a thing? When I was at school, there were so many challenges. There was one where you had to put like random stuff around your house, like oil into beer with a raw egg and like hot sauce, and then drink it on camera and not throw up. Like, what? What were we thinking? What was going on? I don't know. That much in? You can always add more. I guess. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. Why not? We want it to be tasty. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the wet ingredients. I'm using this almond milk. It's from Innocent. I actually don't like how this tastes in coffee. It's kind of like, tastes like whey. But I don't want to use the milk that I use for my coffee because then I won't have any for my coffee. So one cup of that. And then I need 3/4 of agave nectar syrup. Nectar. Let's see what it's like. Oh, smells nice. Tastes like treacle. Whisk, whisk, whisk. It's kind of lumpy. I'm kind of worried. I just put my coconut oil to melt in the microwave, and I made a flax egg, which was 2 tablespoons of flax and 80 ml of water. To be honest, I don't know if you can see it, looks a bit runny. I've never made a flax egg before. Is that too runny? Oh well. It didn't have this in the recipe, but I saw loads of vegan cakes that had applesauce in, so I was like, sure, I'll do that. I'm also gonna put in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It says it in the recipe. This stuff is absolutely disgusting. I don't know why it's going in this cake, but I assume it's to, I don't know, do something with one of the other ingredients. I literally do a shot of this every morning, and every morning I yak. It's absolutely disgusting. I need more liquid. This is not cake batter. This is so thick. Maybe it's because I used the wrong flour. Just put some more milk in. So I just added the carrot and loads more milk and loads more coconut oil and loads more everything. Every time that I mix the cake, I swear it's just getting stodgier. Do you guys follow this girl on TikTok? She's called like Bally Hearns, so maybe her name's like Hallie Burns, I don't really know. But she's vegan, and she does like in her dorm room she makes like different vegan things. And oh my god, she's just like the most put together person ever. Like, she was making vegan mayonnaise in her dorm room. I don't know. And the way she talks, like, she's American, but she's so gorgeous, and she has the nicest voice ever. All the comments are like, you are the type of girl that Harry Styles would just fall in love with. It's true. This is what it looks like. I've just added like 2 cups of water. I've added so much of this almond milk. Before, like, the 1 cup goes up to here, so I've added like, there's 2-3 more cups. Yeah, I don't know. Should we put it in the oven? I put them in these 2 little cake tins. I've got loads left. I might make cookies because they are like cookie dough kind of consistency, so. So this is probably going to be a massive fail, so I might as well make my lunch. This is butternut squash soup. It's down on the orange bag. At least my soup is nice. I'm gonna enjoy my soup. I'm gonna watch a bit of YouTube, and I'll get back to you when the cakes are looking better. Oops. The biscuits are a bit burnt, but I'm gonna try one. Ah. So it fell apart, but I've got some vegan yogurt, which is really thick. I don't know what's happened to it. And obviously the cookie and some agave. Okay, there's nothing. Like, it's not bad. It doesn't taste like a cookie or a cake. It's really weird. No. To be honest, just as I suspected, it tastes exactly like the dry mixture, just warm. Oh well. These do not look like cakes. They're very squishy. Oh my god. It just slipped. Fuck. I mean, okay. I guess we've got one cake left. And these are the cookies. Awful. Try it.
They're very tasty. What?
No, you don't need to lie. They're a bit dry.
I don't think that it matters that they're dry. They taste really good.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.